All right, so today we're talking about CPA marketing. I know you guys love CPA marketing, so I'm going to show you a very awesome and very effective method that really not a lot of people know about. It's really an under the radar method that you're going to be learning today. So here we are in offer world because I want to show you all offers. Whenever I go into Max Bounty, people complain, hey, I don't have a Max Bounty account. Can you show us other networks? And that is why I'm here in Overflow. Now, a lot of guys, they go to Overflow or they go to Max Bounty, and they basically focus on sweepstakes, right? They do sweepstakes, they do surveys, they do a couple of other, verticals, email submits, right? They do something like this. And, you can do that, but everybody's doing that, right? You want to be unique. You want to be different. And one way to be different is to promote offers that a lot of other people are not promoting, and then, still offers where you can make a ton of money, okay? And so for that, you need to spend some time looking at different categories, looking at different verticals. And thankfully, I already did that for you. So let me show you a couple of really good verticals, okay? If you type LinkedIn here, right? You're going to see some awesome offers that pay a lot of money, a lot more than, Max Bounty, than Test, a lot more than, $2 a submit, $3 a submit. They pay a lot more. So something like $44. This is Max Bounty. We have 35% from Indolead. So there's a really good offers. And what's nice about a couple of these offers is that they pay a cost per lead plus per sale. So even though you see $8, that's per lead. Per sale, it's going to be a lot more, right? You guys got to understand that. If you see $8 and then Max Bounty, you're going to see the same thing. That's per lead. Per sale, you're going to be getting, $44, $50. You're going to be getting a lot more. So whenever you see this, do not pay attention to this. Super important, all right? Another really awesome offer is called Treehouse. Right? You can search for Treehouse. They pay you $240, but they also pay you per sale, right? Don't pay attention to this. If you go into that offer in Max Bounty, you're going to see that they also pay you per sale. Very important and very awesome offer. And so what do I like about these offers? I like the fact that LinkedIn is a very big site. You're not promoting some shady surveys, some shady this, some shady that. It's a big, well-known site, and it's a lot better to promote it that way. So the thing about LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn offers a lot of things. There's a lot of things that you can learn, right? LinkedIn Learning right here, what we're talking about, not LinkedIn Jobs, LinkedIn Learning. They're offering a lot of things. And a big part of that is technology, right? And so if you go into high-paying jobs, if you search this right here and you click this first result, you're going to go on this page right here, and you're going to see 25 highest paying jobs in demand, okay? If you scroll down, you have physician, pharmacy manager, and then you have software architect. You have software development manager. You have solutions architect. You have analytics manager, IT manager. The three to four jobs of the top 10 have to do with IT, and that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. And so if you go back to, your Max Bounty or wherever network you're working with, we are going to be looking at promoting IT or software technology offers. So you can promote so many things here. For instance, LinkedIn is one. You can go into Treehouse. There's another one. Another one is Skillshare, right? You can just search for Skillshare and you're going to find Skillshare. There's all kinds of different networks you can work with, and they also pay per sale, not just per lead. All right, so how do we promote it? That is the question. Next, what you guys want to do is you want to go to stackoverflow.com. You're going to be on this main page. Let me show you. You're going to be on this page here. You want to go in here and you want to put the following. You want to put angle brackets, open angle bracket. You want to put JavaScript, square brackets, open square brackets, JavaScript, close square brackets. You're going to do this. You're going to pass this thing right here. And you're going to see all these questions. Now, what you guys want to do next is you want to go into more and you want to go into votes. You want to see the most popular questions, right? And we're going to be using this data in order to promote our offers. Next, guys, what you want to do is you want to download this plugin called Scrape Similar. You're going to see this plugin when you Google for it. It's a Chrome plugin. Once you have it, you're going to right click and you're going to go into Scrape Similar. And with that, you can download the name of the question. So we have 15 questions. We don't really need this URL here, so I'm just gonna kill it. I'm just gonna do this, and then I can hit scrape, and all I have are the questions. I'm gonna copy to clipboard, okay? Next, I am going to go and open a brand new Google Sheet, okay? I'm gonna call it software or IT offers, okay? That's a lot better. Next, we're gonna have two tabs. So I have a couple of tabs here, and in the first tab, I'm gonna paste this, okay? So it says link. We're gonna rename this to name, okay? This is the name of the question. Now, you guys can do the following. You can go to the next step. You can go to the second page. You can do the same thing. Right click, scrape similar. You can just delete this, or you can copy it and delete it later. Copy to clipboard. You're gonna go back here and you're gonna paste it. Now it's gonna have that link. We're gonna delete this row right here, and we're gonna delete all of this here. And so now you have 30 questions. You have 30 questions that you can use in order to promote these offers. And the best part about it is that these are very, very good questions. These are questions that you can present to people because these are the most common, the most frequent questions. They're the most valuable questions. They're the most important questions in any way, because if you do not know these questions, you're not going to get a job. And the other thing about these questions is that they're simple questions. They're very simple questions because they have the most votes. These are the questions that are in demand by, the majority of the people out there. So once you have it here, the next thing you guys want to do is you want to Google for spread simple, okay? We're going to open this thing right here, okay? We're going to log in. You can hit on get started. Now I already have an account. I already have a site, so it logs me in, okay? You're going to have a similar screen that's going to ask you to log in with your Google account. You want to log in with your Google account because it's going to pull data from spreadsheets, okay? So you're going to go in here, you're going to hit plus, and you're going to paste your Google Sheet link here. So you're going to go to share. You're going to go anyone with the link, and you're going to copy this link. Okay? I copied it. I'm going to go back to the site right here. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to hit continue. Okay? Now it's pulling the data. Now that data is available. So take a look at this. It already has this data here. Now, we almost have the site. Now, it's a couple of very, very important things that you have to do, okay? You have to change this here. So you're going to go to Design tab right here. You're going to go to Homepage Intro, and you're going to say, you can do something like this. Get a job that pays you $100,000 plus per year, okay? And here you can say, can you solve these questions? Solve these easy questions and get your job, okay? Now, the way this is going to work is these are going to be very, very simple questions. I mean, anybody who's done a little bit of coding, anybody who has a little bit of experience can solve all of these questions. And so, guys, what you want to do next, you're going to upload your cover image. And this is very, very simple too. You're going to hit this button and you're going to search programming. Okay, you're going to type that there and it gives you these images. So we're going to choose this one and look how beautiful it is. Next, you have these questions here. You're going to go back to content and you're going to scroll down, okay? You're going to scroll down to this primary button, okay? And the other thing you have to do is you have to go back here to your sheet and you need an affiliate link. And these are going to be the affiliate links that you're going to get from these sites. Now, maybe you want to promote Skillshare. Maybe you want to promote Treehouse. Maybe you want to promote LinkedIn Learning. It's really up to you. It's a matter of taste what you want to promote. You're going to get your affiliate links, okay? You're going to go back to your Google Sheet and you're going to create another column. And this is where you're going to have your affiliate links. I'm just going to put google.com, okay? But these are going to be your affiliate link. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to just double click on this and it pastes it all the way down. It fills it in for me. Next, I'm going to go back here to my Spread Simple site. I'm going to refresh my sheet. I just refreshed it. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to primary button setting and I'm going to go in here and link for the redirect is going to be the URL. And I'm going to say learn more. Okay. Now, this is going to be a simple site where people can go in and they can look at these questions and they can click on it and they can learn, they can take classes in order to become developers. Now, what's beautiful about it is that you can go back here and you can have images, right? You can go back here, you can insert left, and you can have an image here, right? And an image could, could be a URL. So let's say, for instance, let's say we're gonna go to pexels.com and we're gonna type programming, something like that. We're gonna make it a little bit nicer. So this is a nice image. I'm gonna save it, okay? And then if I paste it here and I drag it all the way down, I can go back to my site, I can refresh it, and now I have an image. Now if I go in here, it says price, text, image. We're gonna choose an image, we're gonna say image. And now we have these images here, right? Now obviously you can change these images, you can make them what you want, it's really up to you. And obviously this probably would require something else, some kind of different images, maybe an image that looks something like this. Or maybe you can have it without images, you can just do this, right? You can do something like this. And then all of this is customizable, okay? So when you're done with the site, you're gonna hit publish. I'm gonna load up my site, and this is beautiful because now we have various questions, and it says, solve these easy questions and get your job. Now you have a site that you can promote to people. You can promote to people who want to learn coding, who want to make 100K per year. The next thing, guys, you wanna do is you wanna go to Google or Bing or whatever, and you wanna type something like this, programming courses. And there's gonna be a lot of boot camps, programming courses. You can do forums, programming courses, forums, and you have best programming forums, top 20 programming forums, discussion message board, best programming courses, programming fact, 10 best active forums for programmers. And what you guys can do is you can go to these communities, you can go to these forums, and you can say, hey, I got the best questions that are in demand from JavaScript, one of the most in-demand languages out there. And so if you can solve these questions, you can get your job. But if you can't, if you click on learn more, if you click here, if you click there, you're gonna be redirected to a site where you can learn more in order to become a programmer, right? And guys, you can do anything that you want with this site. You can modify it, you can change the colors here. And this site is absolutely free. You can change the domain if you want. You can publish it. You can change it. You can add pages. You have add-ons. You have settings. You can even have a checkout page, right? This is a little bit more advanced stuff. But what you guys want to do is you never want to promote the offers directly. You want to promote a site that when they go to, they can essentially go out and they can complete an action and they feel like they're getting value, which is exactly what we're doing here. Now, in terms of promoting offers, you can have this URL, right? This URL, it can have many different offers. You could have, a third of it could be LinkedIn, another third could be Treehouse. Then you can have Skillshare. Then you can have Coursera. There's lots and lots of offers. Now, if you don't have a Max Bounty account, very, very important. Let's say you do not have a Max Bounty account. You can simply go in here. You can simply go here and you can type, Skillshare affiliate program. You can type Treehouse affiliate program. Okay? You can type LinkedIn Learning affiliate program. They're all there. You just have to do a little bit of searching and you will be able to go to these places directly. But because this video is about CPA marketing, I want to show you the CPA marketing way. I want to show you the right way you can do it. And that is the best way you can do it. And like I said, these are some amazing offers. We have Treehouse, but they're also paying you per sale. We have LinkedIn that pays you per sale. We have a lot of these amazing offers that you can go out and promote. And so that is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. I really, really hope you've gotten value here. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this method. Let me know if you have any questions, anything you want me to add on the next video. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, definitely let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you real soon.